Dr. Elioda ahireyo kushaboko bwabire nabugana beje bitendekero rya Bishop Stewart University abarkwegitiro mu kibina cha Bishop Stewart University Shema Students Association. Elioda agizere ngo ibinte bikirizeyo kuremesa abantu no kushoma no kunyomarwa okuzo mu bushambani kandi najara ngo ebi nebindi babyehara nibaza kugira amagara marunji.
Muburire echa kabiri stay competitive obase ko gombandi
Ogona bashabire kukozesa omugishogo w'Uganda n'amatendekero mingi okugakozesa kushoma ebirije kuyamba makagabo.
Kora bino shoma accounts rangu washoma ebarwa bishara wano weheza utakaza kuzamuka kwa byamo bamira muzire tateje stage number 1 nyena tante CPA ninga CCA munya ndo kusibo mu ndeki mukora bano manyecho kwenda kuba
aha mukoroga bebembeza bakora barkwebembere kibine kibakwasibwo mu butongore bwebembezi kandi baraganise kuba kuza gukora kurunji.
From here or from this function we need or we are planning as an association to go to Shema and to give career guidance senior 6 students. That is our next step from here.
Gashakwa Abdukalim Sengendo.